we have a functional equation that holds for functions whose arguments are real numbers excluding -1, and the value of function is also real numbers excluding -1. This is important fact that we'll use. There are some other auxiliary conditions, and so the equality holds. Then what do? We first of all we plug x equals y not equal to 0 -1, which gives us f of x equals some number alpha times x. Then we try to determine what alpha should be or should not be. So if we want to get -1, it's something bad we must exclude. Therefore, if we plug alpha argument of -1 over alpha, we get this -1. So we should think what this number should be like. For all the good number, it doesn't work. So alpha should be bad numbers. Bad numbers of alpha are 0, since we cannot divide by 0, and alpha is 1 is a bad number since the argument of f is going to be -1, which is prohibited for us. So alpha equals 0 doesn't work if we plug it and try x equals 1, we get a contradiction. So only alpha equals 1 works, and thus we get an equation f of x equals 1 times x, which is simply x. When plugging this back into our equality, we get that f equals y over x, f of y over x equals 1 minus 1 over x over 1 plus y over x, which we can substitute with the argument we can substitute with x and get the following solution: f of x equals 1 minus x over 1 plus x, and we plug it back and we check that everything works.